cute. What a cute puppy. Max is the cutest puppy that you ever. Max, what do you got, baby? Max. Max. Max has got it. Max has got it. He's got the cutest little bone. Sophie, what is she? What does he have? Sophie, what does he have? Huh? Sophie, what does Max have? Sophie, what does Max have? Hmm? What does he have? Do you know what he has? Oh, you're so cute. Look how cute you are. Max has got it. Max has got... Wait a minute. I'm singing about Max. Oh, Sophie. Can't believe you're going to start yelling because I'm talking about Max. Sophie.
Yes, she is.
So you can't always get all the attention.
Yes,
Oh, Sophie. Stop being such a yeller.
good girl.
Stop it. You need your cookies and your... Sophie. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Sophie, stop. Oh my God. Sophie, what are you doing?
What did I tell you when you say, give me a picture? That's what she does to me when I get the camera. She comes and she bites me, she jumps on me, she knocks it out of my hand.